UAP discs that we are seeing look exactly like they do. In both examples, the Akubira, I know I'm mispronouncing it, or the acceleration ring, there's a ring that goes around, you fill it in, you've got an engineering compartment on the other side, you've got cargo and science compartments on the outside, you've got a pilot's dome on top, and a safe spot in between for high high-speed maneuvers. So how does this affect UAPs? Going back, we have the diagram for the gravitational lensing. Now, in the case of a UAP, you have instead of a symmetric spatial bend, you have an asymmetric spatial bend. Basically, the space below the craft is expanded out, the space just above is compressed, and that causes that lever effect to cause the craft to fall up, or even just fall at the same rate as gravity, so that it's staying still